In the previous video you saw that I showed you how we can use an adjacency list. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can use or represent a graph using an adjacency matrix. Fine. So the trick is, in an adjacency list we just had one column of the nodes. Step 1 is the same. You're gonna have to count or look at how many nodes you have, but the difference is the following. You made a column, all right, with all the different nodes. So we have node 0, we have node 1 2 3 4. So here I made like a column of nodes, right? Now the other thing is that you're gonna have to make a row also, because I mean it's a matrix. So remember, it's a matrix looks something like that. It's a 10 by 10 matrix. So you're gonna now say 0 1, you're gonna say 0 0. All right, so you're gonna see if there's a line or an edge between 0 and 0. Basically they're like self loop. Okay, but there isn't a self loop, so you're gonna put a 0. Then you're gonna see 0 and 1. Look at 0 and 1. Is there an edge between 0 and 1? No, there isn't. Then you're gonna put 0. But a much quicker way would be the following. You can see that there's an edge between 0 and 8. So just go to 0 and go to 8. Put a 1 there. Perfect. Done. Then look at 1. Look at your graph. There's an edge between 2, 9, 7, 3. So now come here from 1, go to 2, put a 1. So it was 2, it was 7. So go to 7, put a 1. So 1 and 2 is connected. 1 and 7 has also one edge between them. And then we look at 3 is also connected to 1, and we see that 9 is also connected to 1. Where's 9? There's 9, right? So yeah, now repeat for all of the other nodes. So let's repeat for maybe number 7. Now by the way, if you don't have a 1, it's going to be a 0. 0 means that there's no edge between them. 1 means that there is one edge. If you put a 2, it means that there's two edges between them. Okay, and the adjacency matrix for a directed graph would look a bit different. Okay, then we get 6, or let's try 7. 7 is connected to what? It's connected to 1, and it's connected to 6. So I'm going to look here, 7 and 1, right? So I'm going to put 1 there, and I'm going to put 6 here. All right, so there's one edge between the two. So yeah, this is just basically it. The rest is just 0. Now you can do the same. You can fill for 3 4 5 6 8 9. And yeah, I don't want this video to be long. Thanks for watching.